Guys, I just saw a video that she said when they look up, their eyes look super weird. I'm trying that. I'm hallucinating when I look up. Yeah, I can hurt my eyes. Okay. Tell me if my eyes look super weird. Ready, said. But we look at my eyes. You can see my eyes. So, look if my eyes look super weird. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, do I look weird? Okay. Wait. Ay, nakoy nahimo nas